Welcome to our new channel Side Hustle Secrets. To celebrate our launch, we have a special giveaway just for you towards the end of this video. That's right, stick with us and you could win some amazing prizes. Now enjoy the video. We'll fill you in on the contest details in a few minutes.
Are you ready for takeoff? Why did the drone cross the road? Because the tornado forced it to do so. Now that we've had a little laugh, let's talk about how you can use drones to reach new heights in your own life, specifically in your bank account. Ditch the ladder, grab a drone. Roof inspections reinvented. Remember the days of rickety ladders and neck-craning roof inspections? Well, say goodbye to those days. Drones are changing the game. Imagine this, you with a cool gadget in your hand, effortlessly inspecting roofs from the ground. Pretty awesome, right? Side Hustle Superstar. Why drone inspections soar. Let's talk about why this is an amazing side hustle. High demand. Everyone needs roof inspections. Flexibility. Set your own hours. Be your own boss. Great earning potential. Drone inspections are in high demand, and you can charge a good price. Ready to take off? Let's do this. Building your drone empire, step-by-step setup. Welcome to the ultimate guide on setting up your drone for success. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to start a drone-based business, this step-by-step setup will ensure you're ready to take to the skies. First things first, you need the right tools. Get a drone that suits your needs. There are various types of drones available in the market, from beginner models to advanced ones with high-end features. Make sure to choose one that fits your skill level and intended use. Unbox your drone carefully and take note of all the components included in the package. Look for drones specifically designed for photography and videography. Clear images are key. High-resolution cameras and stable flight capabilities are essential for capturing stunning aerial shots. Spend some time getting familiar with the camera settings and how to adjust them for different lighting conditions. Next, master the controls. Understanding how to maneuver your drone smoothly will make a significant difference in the quality of your footage. Practice flying your drone in a safe, open area. Open fields and parks are ideal for beginners to get a feel for the controls without the risk of crashing into obstacles. Start with basic maneuvers like hovering, moving forward, and turning. Gradually, you can try more complex movements as you gain confidence. It's like learning to ride a bike, but way cooler. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try different flight modes and experiment with the drone's capabilities. Some drones come with features like autopilot, follow me mode, and obstacle avoidance, which can enhance your flying experience. And don't forget to get certified. Certification not only ensures that you understand the rules and regulations, but also gives you credibility, especially if you plan to use your drone for commercial purposes. There are various certification programs available, both online and in person, that can help you become a proficient drone pilot. Check your local regulations. You might need a license to fly your drone for commercial purposes. Different regions have different rules regarding drone usage, so it's crucial to stay informed. Some areas may have restrictions on where you can fly, altitude limits, and no-fly zones. Always make sure to comply with these regulations to avoid fines and legal issues. Additionally, consider getting insurance for your drone to protect against potential damages or accidents. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building your drone empire. Happy flying! Flight plan to success, running your inspection business. Starting your own drone inspection business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With the right strategies and a clear plan, you can navigate your way to success in this growing industry. Now that you're all set up, it's time to get clients. Spread the word. Begin by reaching out to your immediate network. Friends, family, and acquaintances can be your first clients and your best advocates. Hand out business cards and talk about your services at every opportunity. Tell everyone you know about your awesome new drone inspection service. Word of mouth is a powerful tool. When people hear about your services from someone they trust, they are more likely to give you a chance. Be enthusiastic and confident when explaining what you do and how it can benefit them. Then, establish an online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website that highlights your services, showcases your previous work, and provides a way for potential clients to contact you. Create a website or social media pages to showcase your skills and services. And, of course, network. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. Share photos and videos of your drone inspections, post client testimonials, and engage with your followers regularly. Connect with real estate agents, roofing companies, and homeowners associations. These professionals can be valuable partners in your business. Real estate agents often need aerial photos and videos of properties, while roofing companies can benefit from detailed roof inspections. Homeowners associations may require regular inspections of their properties. Remember, excellent customer service is key. Providing top-notch customer service will set you apart from your competitors. Always be professional, courteous, and responsive. Make sure your clients feel valued and appreciated. Provide detailed reports and be responsive to your clients' needs. After each inspection, provide a comprehensive report that includes high-quality images and detailed findings. Be available to answer any questions your clients may have and address any concerns promptly. This will help build trust and ensure repeat business. Stay updated with industry trends and continue learning. The drone industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations emerging regularly. Attend workshops, read industry-related books, and participate in online courses to stay ahead of the curve. This will not only improve your skills, but also show your clients that you are committed to providing the best service possible. Collaborate with other drone businesses and join professional associations. Networking with other professionals in the industry can open up new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Join professional associations and attend industry conferences to stay connected and informed. Celebrate your successes and plan for the future. Running a successful drone inspection business takes hard work and dedication. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. Continuously evaluate your business strategies and make adjustments as needed to ensure long-term success. With a clear flight plan and a commitment to excellence, your drone inspection business can soar to new heights. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep your eyes on the horizon. The sky's the limit. Keeping your drone happy maintenance must-dos. Your drone is your moneymaker, so treat it right. Regular checkups are essential. Just like any other piece of high-tech equipment, your drone needs regular attention to ensure it operates at its best. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs or even total failure, which could be disastrous if you're using it for professional purposes. Inspect your drone before and after each flight, just like a pilot. This means checking for any visible damage, ensuring all parts are securely attached, and verifying that the propellers are in good condition. A pre-flight inspection can catch potential issues before they become serious problems, while a post-flight check can help you identify any damage that occurred during the flight. Clean it up. Dust and debris can affect performance. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the exterior and a small brush to clean out any crevices. Pay special attention to the motors and propellers, as these areas are particularly susceptible to dust buildup. Regular cleaning not only keeps your drone looking good, but also ensures it operates smoothly. Take care of your batteries. They are the lifeblood of your drone. Always use the charger that came with your drone and avoid overcharging. It's also a good idea to let the batteries cool down before recharging them, as this can extend their lifespan. Store them properly to keep them in tip-top shape. Keep your batteries in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures. If you're not going to use your drone for an extended period, store the batteries at around 50% charge to prevent them from degrading. And don't forget software updates. Manufacturers regularly release updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and add new features. Keeping your drone's software up to date ensures you're getting the best possible performance and can help prevent issues during flight. Think of it like taking care of a car. Regular maintenance means a smoother ride. Just as you wouldn't drive your car without regular oil changes and checkups, you shouldn't fly your drone without giving it the care it needs. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your drone, but also ensures it performs at its best, giving you peace of mind every time you take to the skies. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more unique and interesting money-making side hustle opportunities. Don't miss out on the latest ways to boost your income.
Hey everyone, we've got an exciting opportunity for you. We're offering a chance for you to win a $100 Amazon gift card or that equivalent in cryptocurrency. Once our new channel, Side Hustle Secrets, reaches 1,000 subscribers, we could be funding your next golden goose. So here's how you can be a part of this amazing giveaway. First, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then, like this video. And lastly, leave a comment with the hashtag #SideHustleSecrets1000. It's that simple, folks. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick one lucky winner from the comments. So smash the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more interesting side hustles. Don't miss our ongoing contests with progressively larger prize giveaways, because the bigger we get, the bigger the prizes get.